Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, have exploded onto the digital scene, revolutionizing the way we think about art, collectibles, and digital ownership. With skyrocketing prices and widespread media coverage, many people are curious about how they can profit from this new asset class. In this ultimate guide, we'll dive deep into the world of NFTs and explore the various ways you can make money from them, whether you're an artist, collector, or investor. Understanding NFTs, the basics. Before we delve into making money with NFTs, it's essential to understand what they are and how they work. NFTs are unique digital tokens that represent ownership of a digital asset, such as an image, video, or piece of music. Unlike cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which are fungible and can be exchanged for one another, NFTs are non-fungible, meaning each token is unique and cannot be directly exchanged for another. NFTs are built on blockchain technology, which provides a decentralized, transparent, and tamper-proof record of ownership. This technology allows creators to mint NFTs, assign ownership rights, and transfer them securely between parties. Creating and selling your own NFTs. If you're an artist or creator, one of the most direct ways to make money from NFTs is by creating and selling your own digital artwork or collectibles. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Step 1. Choose your medium. Decide what type of digital asset you want to create, such as digital art, music, video, or even a virtual property. Step 2. Create your digital asset. Use your artistic skills or collaborate with others to produce your unique digital creation. Step 3. Select an NFT platform. Choose a platform that supports the creation and sale of NFTs, such as OpenSea, Rarible, or Foundation. Make sure the platform is compatible with the blockchain network you want to use, e.g., Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain. Step 4. Mint your NFT. Follow the platform's guidelines to turn your digital asset into an NFT, which may involve uploading your creation, setting a name and description, and paying a gas fee to cover the minting process. Step 5. List your NFT for sale. Set a price for your NFT, either a fixed price or an auction format, and make it available for potential buyers to discover and purchase. Investing in and trading NFTs. Another way to make money with NFTs is by investing in and trading them, similar to buying and selling stocks or cryptocurrencies. Here's how you can get started. Step 1. Research. Learn about the NFT market, popular artists and creators, and current trends. Identify NFTs that you believe have the potential to increase in value over time. Step 2. Choose a platform. Select an NFT marketplace that allows you to buy, sell, and trade NFTs, such as OpenSea, Rarible, or Super Rare. Step 3. Set up a digital wallet. Create a compatible digital wallet, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet, to store your NFTs and any associated cryptocurrencies. Step 4. Fund your wallet. Purchase the cryptocurrency required for the NFT platform you've chosen, e.g., Ethereum or Binance Coin, and transfer it to your digital wallet. Step 5. Buy NFTs. Browse the NFT marketplace and purchase the NFTs you've identified as potentially valuable investments. Step 6. Monitor and trade. Keep an eye on the value of your NFTs and the overall market trends. When you believe the time is right, sell your NFTs for a profit or trade them for other NFTs that you think have better growth potential. NFT staking and passive income opportunities. Some NFT projects offer opportunities for passive income through staking or other mechanisms. By staking your NFTs, you can earn rewards in the form of cryptocurrencies or additional NFTs. Here's how you can take advantage of these opportunities. Step 1. Research staking projects. Identify NFT projects that offer staking or passive income opportunities, such as decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms, or NFT-based games. Step 2. Acquire the necessary NFTs. Purchase or trade for the NFTs required to participate in the staking project. Step 3. Stake your NFTs. Follow the project's guidelines to stake your NFTs and start earning passive income. Keep in mind that staking may involve locking up your NFTs for a certain period, during which you won't be able to sell or trade them. Step 4. Collect your rewards. Monitor your staking rewards and decide whether to reinvest them, convert them to other cryptocurrencies, or cash out. Building and monetizing an NFT collection. If you have a keen eye for valuable NFTs and enjoy collecting digital assets, you can potentially make money by building and monetizing an NFT collection. Here's how. Step 1. Develop a niche. Identify a specific niche or category of NFTs that you're passionate about and have the potential to grow in value, such as digital art from emerging artists or virtual real estate. Step 2. Curate your collection. Carefully select and purchase NFTs that align with your niche and showcase a diverse range of high-quality digital assets. Step 3. Promote your collection. Share your NFT collection on social media, engage with other collectors and creators, and participate in online communities to raise awareness and attract potential buyers. Step 4. Monetize your collection. Explore different ways to monetize your NFT collection, such as selling individual NFTs, offering fractional ownership, or even creating a virtual gallery or museum that charges admission fees. NFT-based gaming and virtual worlds. The gaming industry and virtual worlds are increasingly adopting NFTs to represent in-game assets and virtual properties. By participating in these virtual ecosystems, you can potentially make money through activities such as buying, selling, and trading in-game NFTs like characters, items, or virtual land. Participating in play to earn games that reward players with cryptocurrencies or NFTs. Renting or leasing your virtual properties to other players. Developing and selling virtual experiences, such as games, events, or educational content. To get started, research popular NFT-based games and virtual worlds like Decentraland, The Sandbox, or Axie Infinity, and identify opportunities that align with your interests and skills. Making money with NFTs is an exciting and potentially lucrative opportunity for artists, collectors, investors, and enthusiasts alike. Whether you're creating and selling your own NFTs, investing in and trading NFTs, staking your digital assets, building an NFT collection, or participating in NFT-based gaming and virtual worlds, there are numerous ways to profit from this emerging market. As with any investment or business venture, it's essential to conduct thorough research, stay informed about market trends, and approach NFTs with a clear strategy and risk tolerance. With the right knowledge, skills, and mindset, you can capitalize on the growing popularity of NFTs and turn your passion for digital assets into a profitable endeavor. Thanks for sticking around until the end. If you feel as though you received some real value from this content, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons on the way out. Until next time, we remain Business Brain USA.